Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I just want to share a sad story that happened to me yesterday with you guys. It was so hot, shattered and helpless on my side yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Guys, I was supposed to go for this birthday mass in my church. Then again, it started raining heavily with thunder. I mean, heavily with thunder everywhere. Thunder everywhere. It started getting dark everywhere. Thunder was echoing. I said, let me wait. Everybody was at home. We started waiting for the rain. It started raining heavily. Immediately, I said, let me go inside. I saw some children outside. My neighbor kids. I started shouting, everyone should go inside. I was calling them to go inside, not to come out under the rain. As I was talking to them, I remember that my windows were still open. I went inside. Everywhere was dark, was very dark. I managed to speak to the kids to remain calm. Let me look for Tosh. I rushed to close my window. As I was about closing my window, it's so painful, so disappointing. I was helpless, very helpless. I could not close my window. It was very heavy to push the window because of the breeze and the thunder. I started shouting, somebody help me from outside to push my window. No one was around. As I was managing to drag the window, I saw myself on the bed, helpless. Yet I managed to stood up, drag the window. Immediately I fell asleep and I couldn't go for the birthday party.